Are you looking for the best electric lighter? In this video, we want to the top 5 best electric lighter on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Joshe Electric Lighter. Where style meets functionality. The Joshe Electric Lighter is more than just a flame-producing device, it's a fusion of innovative design and practical functionality. Let's delve into the features that make this lighter stand out from the rest. Transparency at its best. The lighter's transparent panel design and internal chip provide a unique insight into its working mechanism and status. This not only adds a futuristic touch but also ensures you're always aware of its performance. The mechanical wind lighter guarantees reliable ignition in any weather conditions, and refilling becomes a breeze. Stress relief through Euro play. Experience stress relief like never before with the unique rotating mechanism of the mechanical wind lighter. The high rotation bearing Euro offers smooth and quiet spins, providing a delightful Euro play that can help alleviate stress and pressure. Whether you're at work or home, indulge in the therapeutic aspect of Euro play and relax in style. Eye-catching design. Make a statement with the Joshe Electric Lighter's impressive double arc design inspired by mecha aesthetics. Its eye-catching appearance is sure to catch everyone's attention, adding a touch of uniqueness to your personality. This weather-resistant and rechargeable lighter is not just a tool but a must-have accessory to showcase your distinctive style. Selected material. Crafted with care, the mechanical wind lighter boasts a mechanical wind double arc design that reflects your unique taste. The mecha-inspired design ensures you never settle for a dull lighter again. Easy to use and weather-resistant, this lighter is a symbol of sophistication. Enhanced charging capability. Equipped with a Type-C interface, the lighter offers enhanced charging capabilities compatible with various power interfaces. The intelligent fast charging system prevents overcharging and overheating, prioritizing safety and ensuring the longevity of the lighter. Stay charged, stay stylish. In conclusion, the Joshe Electric Lighter isn't just a tool for lighting up, it's an accessory that blends style and functionality seamlessly. From its transparent panel to the stress-relieving Euro play and eye-catching mecha design, this lighter is a testament to sophistication in every detail. Upgrade your style and showcase your unique taste with the Joshe Electric Lighter. Number 4. Mini Tree Electric Lighter. A touch of modern elegance. The Mini Tree Electric Lighter is not just a fire-making tool, it's a blend of contemporary design and cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have accessory for the modern individual. Let's explore the features that set this lighter apart. Electroplating process with rounded corners. The sleek and sophisticated design of the Mini Tree Electric Lighter is enhanced by the electroplating process, giving it a premium look. The rounded corners add a touch of elegance, making it a stylish companion for any occasion. LED Digital Battery Indicator. Stay informed about your lighter's battery status with the LED Digital Battery Indicator. This feature ensures that you're always aware of the remaining power, allowing for timely recharging and uninterrupted use. Touch Induction Ignition. Experience the future of lighters with touch induction ignition. The Mini Tree Electric Lighter responds to your touch, providing a seamless and effortless ignition experience. Say goodbye to traditional ignition methods and embrace the convenience of touch. LED sensor screen with sensitive response. The inclusion of an LED sensor screen adds a modern twist to this electric lighter. The screen provides clear information, and its sensitive response ensures quick and accurate interaction. Navigate through settings with ease and enjoy a user-friendly experience. Burn at the touch of a button. The simplicity of operation is taken to the next level with the Mini Tree Electric Lighter. Burn at the touch of a button, eliminating the need for cumbersome ignition processes. It's quick, it's efficient, and it adds an element of ease to your daily routine. In conclusion, the Mini Tree Electric Lighter is not just a tool, it's a statement piece that seamlessly combines style and functionality. The electroplating process, LED digital battery indicator, touch induction ignition, LED sensor screen, and the touch-activated burning feature make it a standout accessory. Elevate your everyday routine with the modern elegance of the Mini Tree electric lighter. Number 3. Orico electric lighter. A dual-powered marvel for all your ignition needs. In the realm of lighters, the Orico electric lighter stands out as a versatile and powerful tool, offering the convenience of both gas and electricity. Whether you're lighting a cigar, cigarette, or sparking up the grill for an outdoor barbecue, this exceptional lighter is designed to meet all your ignition needs. Dual-powered brilliance. The standout feature of the Orico electric lighter is its ability to harness both gas and electricity. This dual-powered marvel ensures that you have options at your fingertips, making it a reliable companion for various scenarios. Whether you prefer the classic touch of a flame or the modern convenience of electric ignition, Orico has you covered. Light a cigar with ease. For cigar enthusiasts, the Orico electric lighter provides a strong flame that makes lighting cigars a breeze. The straight-to-the-flame design ensures quick and efficient ignition, allowing you to enjoy your favorite cigars with minimal effort. Say goodbye to struggling with traditional lighters, and embrace the simplicity of Orico. Versatile outdoor companion. Whether you're heading outdoors for a camping trip, a picnic, or a barbecue, the Orico electric lighter is your reliable outdoor companion. Its versatility shines in various settings, providing a quick and easy way to light up cigarettes, candles, or any other fire-dependent activity you have in mind. Convenient charging options. Orico understands the importance of convenience, and that's why the electric lighter comes with a charging feature. With the ability to charge up to 5 packs of cigarettes, you can rely on this lighter for extended usage without the worry of running out of power. Super long endurance. The Orico electric lighter boasts an impressive 70% longer endurance compared to other fire engines in the market. This extended lifespan ensures that you can rely on Orico for the long haul, making it a cost-effective and sustainable choice for your ignition needs. Easy and fast ignition. Orico prioritizes user-friendly experiences, and the electric lighter is a testament to that commitment. The easy and fast ignition process ensures that you can light up in seconds, whether you're indoors in the kitchen or outdoors enjoying nature. In conclusion, the Orico electric lighter stands as a testament to innovation in the world of ignition tools. Its dual-powered functionality, ease of use, and extended endurance make it a top choice for individuals who seek reliability and versatility in their lighters. Embrace the future of ignition with Orico, where convenience meets exceptional performance. Number 2. Joshe electric lighter. Igniting the future with style and innovation. In the world of lighters, the Joshe electric lighter emerges as a game-changer, blending cutting-edge technology with a touch of personal flair. This sleek and modern lighter introduces an innovative finger induction feature that adds a cool, atmospheric touch to your ignition experience. Finger induction magic. Joshe has taken the art of ignition to the next level with its finger induction technology. By simply placing your finger into the induction area, an elegant electric arc ignites, creating a mesmerizing display of fire. Remove your finger, repeat the process, and watch the arc dance again. This interactive feature not only makes lighting up an experience but also adds a touch of magic to your daily routine. Cool atmosphere, charm of choice. Joshe understands that personal style matters, and the electric lighter reflects this philosophy. The cool atmosphere created by the electric arc adds a touch of sophistication to your ignition moments. More than just a tool, the Joshe electric lighter becomes a statement piece, showcasing the charm of choice in a unique and modern way. Colorful personalization. Expressing your personality is made easy with Joshe's electric lighter. The availability of a variety of different colors allows you to choose a lighter that resonates with your unique style. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant hues or subtle and understated tones, Joshe ensures that your lighter becomes a personal extension of your identity. Windproof wonder. Wind is no longer an obstacle to your ignition process. The Joshe electric lighter is designed to be windproof, ensuring a reliable flame even in challenging outdoor conditions. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a breezy day, Joshe guarantees a consistent and powerful ignition experience. A touch of innovation. Joshe's electric lighter is more than just a practical tool, it's a testament to innovation in the world of personal accessories. The finger induction feature, combined with the sleek design and color variety, positions this lighter as a symbol of modernity and style. In conclusion, the Joshe electric lighter redefines the traditional concept of lighters, transforming a mundane task into an interactive and stylish experience. With its finger induction magic, cool atmosphere, colorful personalization, and windproof capabilities, Joshe has succeeded in creating a lighter that goes beyond function. It becomes a lifestyle accessory that enhances your daily rituals. Choose innovation, choose style, choose the Joshe electric lighter. Number 1. Mini Tree Electric Lighter. Safety first, surprises included. In the world of lighters, the Mini Tree electric lighter stands out not only for its practicality but also for its commitment to safety and a touch of delightful surprises. Designed with international transportation safety regulations in mind, this lighter prioritizes caution and user safety. Safety regulations and user responsibility. Understanding the importance of adhering to international safety standards, Mini Tree ensures that its electric lighter is sold without gas and fuel. This precautionary measure aligns with transportation safety regulations, ensuring that the lighter reaches users safely and in compliance with global safety guidelines. While Mini Tree strives to provide a convenient and reliable product, users are reminded of their role in ensuring safety. Keeping the lighter out of the reach of infants and young children is emphasized to prevent any accidents. Additionally, users are advised not to point the lighter tip at their face, clothing, other people, flammable fumes, liquids, or explosive substances, promoting responsible and secure usage. A touch of surprise. In a delightful twist, Mini Tree goes beyond the expected by adding a touch of joy to each purchase. Inside the packaging box, users can find small, randomly selected gifts, creating a delightful surprise element to unboxing their Mini Tree electric lighter. This thoughtful gesture adds an extra layer of enjoyment to the overall experience, turning a simple purchase into a moment of unexpected joy. User-friendly and responsible. While safety precautions are paramount, Mini Tree doesn't compromise on user-friendliness. The electric lighter is designed for ease of use, offering a reliable ignition source without the hassle of dealing with butane gas. The emphasis on safety and convenience makes the Mini Tree electric lighter a smart choice for those who prioritize both aspects in their daily lives. In conclusion, the Mini Tree electric lighter goes beyond being a mere tool for ignition. It champions safety, adheres to international regulations, and surprises users with a small gift, showcasing a brand that values not only functionality but also the overall experience of its customers. Stay safe, enjoy the convenience, and savor the little moments of joy with the Mini Tree electric lighter.